This brings me to the second reason doctors stay broke, namely the debt trap. And specifically, lifestyle debt. Let's imagine you buy a car for 500,000 Rand and you finance the car through your bank. Your monthly repayment for this car should probably cost you anything in the region of 10,000 Rand per month. Over a 5 to 6 year period, you don't just pay the 500,000, you end up paying closer to 650 to 700,000 Rand with interest. Has this car increased in value? The answer is no. The car is actually worth less every single year because most vehicles are depreciating in value. So what you've essentially done is this. You used future income to pay for something that is losing value. Now, if you apply the same example and scenario to credit cards, your personal loans, clothing accounts, suddenly you realize that a large portion of your future salary is already spoken or accounted for before you even get paid. And this is exactly where most doctors feel stuck.